Oh, hang on. Whoa! Woo! Righto, welcome back viewers for another action-packed day of Dawn's Fishing Adventures. I've got Billy say hello to everybody on TV land.
Hey.
Now he's already got his first fish for the day, I'll show you a bit later on. He already caught this one here. Woo. Again, it's I think it's a western, what is it called again? Brown spotted wrasse, that's right. Anyway, we're going for bottom dwelling fish. We're out here off Hillarys. I reckon we should do alright. The swell is not too bad, the wind is okay. All we need to do is get them. Stay tuned. It looks like Billy's on again. What do you reckon it is, kid?
No, probably same fish.
Same fish? Well, oh, look at that. That's a nice one. Just using the landing net because we've got thin line on it. There you go. Oh yeah, it's not that big. It's not as big as the first one we got. Now a lot of people sort of they keep these because they go, oh no, they've got like pride, you know. But this, so a few white fillets will make great fish and chip fish. Now this is showing what kind of rig we're using. We're using the basic paternoster rig. I've got a treble swivel there. I've just got the normal size hook and a bit more bigger one here, a few white beads. I reckon they trap the fish in. Bit of squid legs on them. Just throw it overboard and the fish are there, bang, they're on.
Same fish. Pretty cool. Very small.
A bit small. Yeah, I need to throw that. Good on you, buddy.
Oh my god, yay.
What do you got? Oh, here's a nice one.
Hey, went after the enormous piece of bait I put on.
I'm on too. Nice one, Billy.
I used a ridiculous large piece of bait and it went up.
Oh, this one's really taken off.
It hooked it right through its eyeballs.
Yeah, he's only another Western King wrasse. So, I mean, great little fight on small tackle. What do you reckon, Billy?
Yeah, good.
I'm getting a lot of boom boom. Are you getting any?
Yeah.
It must be small ones. Oh, hang on. Whoa! Woo!
Calm down.
No, this I can see it. Can you see it?
Yes, I can see it.
What is he? Ah, is that all?
Told you.
Oh, what's that?
Wrasse.
Okay. I know. Again, like you, I don't know what I got. I'm still bottom bouncing here on the reef. I showed you on the water what's down there. Oh, what is it? Oh, massive. He was stuck around weed. What a lovely fish. That's a different species. Hey?
Pretty big, isn't it?
It's massive. Look at that. It's some sort of wrasse, but it's got very tropical colours on it. Beautiful fish.
Not married.
Welcome back, kids. You didn't hear that. I just got a nice one, I think, and he's taken line, and I think it's just come off. It's good to have moral support on the boat when your deckhand starts laughing at you. Oh, now this one's got a bit of backbone. I mean, he's not that big because, as I said, it's a small rod and reel. But I've got 7 pound
So big.
grade. Oh, he's alright. Sort of a fight one. What is he? Yeah.
That one is off.
Billy's on as well. Hope you lose it so I can laugh back at you. So, he is a tiny tot, but unlike you, it's great fun. You got one, Billy? Yeah. Ah! Son of a...
I'm going to vomit on this fish again.
No, we've got something. After Nicholas got a little bit green behind the gills, which is okay.
Shut up.
We didn't catch it on camera, of course, but you can see the burley trail here. What do you got? Holy moly! A double! Woo! Oh, I'm on two! Okay, Billy. Now you read it up too much, but that's alright, just be careful. Oh, okay, yep, not bad. Double. Here, just leave it on the floor and grab this one. It's all happening. So, if you feel like getting sick like Billy did,
Oh God.
don't be scared, because it's all good, it's all recycling. Billy,
Oh, that hurt my stomach so much.
it's good for the environment,
Shut
kid.
up. I'll puke at you next time.
Come on, what do you got there? It's in the colour. Oh, look at that. That's what you call a tiny bullshit fish. What happened? You're still coughing up the scales. You're right, Billy.
Taste of vomit in my mouth still.
Mate, if you've never thrown up on a boat, you've never really gone fishing. A bit more boom boom. A bit more boom boom. Right. Mate, it's like this. It's great fun. This one's got a bit of curry, Billy.
I'm going to try and fish again.
Oh no, it's a nice brown one too. Nice brown spotted wrasse. I don't know if you can see down there. Try and get him up without losing the rig. There you go. There's a keeper, isn't he? Nice big fat one.
Yeah.
Couple of nice big white fillets. Weed. Alright. So we've got a nice bag of wrasse. Nothing wrong with a nice fish like that. It's not bad, big one. Make a good couple of fillets. We might show you at home how we're going to cook it up. Beauty, going that way. Righto folks, we made it back home. I'm just going to quickly show you what we caught. So we got the brown spotted wrasse, member of the groper family, Western King wrasse, very nice eating, very soft flesh though. And this one here, I don't know the true name, but some other type of wrasse as well. Again, they're all white meats, very good if you just want to pan fry them or deep fry them as fish and chip style. Stay tuned, we're going to show them, we're going to clean them up and cook them up. Flip it over. Beautiful fillet, get rid of the bones, get yourself some nice tucker. Absolutely lovely fish. So there you have it, the fish fillet's all cleaned up. Nice big chunky bits of meat. What we're going to do is cook them up. Now the batter. Now I don't know the exact measurements, I'm only cooking a few fillets, so that's get a bit of beer, which I've already got opened. Pour it in, get it up. Probably need a bit more. There you go. A little bit of smoked paprika, black pepper. There you go. There you go, nice and thick and gloggy. And what we're going to do, we're going to put this in the freezer. There's a trick to make a nice crispy batter, is that the batter needs to be nice and cold. So we'll leave it there about 10 minutes, 15 minutes. So I've got the fillets here on a bit of paper, get rid of any excess moisture. And so we get the fish fillet lightly coated in some plain flour. So nothing to brag about the fish. Put it in the beer mix. It is nice and cold, I've been sitting there for about half an hour. Make sure it is evenly coated. What we do, we just put it in, don't drop it, turn it the other way around because you don't want it to stick on the bottom. There you go. Just make sure it's not on the bottom. No, it's not, it's floating on the top. Another one. So then what we do now, we just turn them upside down. Oh, that's nice on there. Bit more here, just about done. Putting a few chips in there too. Righto, there you have it. Dom's homemade fish and chips, freshly caught fish. Chips, well, we know what they come from. Mate, this is going to be great. Try it out. Oh, that is good.
How full?
Absolutely delicious. This reef fish, the wrasse, black brown spotted wrasse and the other stuff, mate, don't get rid of it. It's absolutely delicious. If you enjoy the show, hit the subscribe button, like it, share. I'll see you next time. Bloody beautiful. Salud. Should have been a pom.